This video is about Wondershare Flimora X new version. You can simply download it without watermark version. So let me clear first a few things that this version is not compatible with 32-bit version. Okay, and this is the 64-bit version. So don't go through the comment section and ask the fellow questions like this version is 32-bit or is working. So I have cleared this. This is 64 version. You don't need to ask in comment section. And this is without the watermark. So let's see the proof here. So I'm using some sample videos from the footages of Flimora X, which is already present, and I'm adding some stuffs and transitions and some low thirds to show you. And after that, after putting all the things and stuffs, I will export this and showing you the proof that this version is without watermark, so you can easily download this. But guys, before downloading, pause the full video because there's a process. You need to install crack and all. I hope you get it what I want to say you. So here are the exporting settings. So I'm here to export this, so there's a better quality, and I named it demo. So now let's export it. Now after export I will show you. So it may take some time according your PC. So here's the footage, and after export you can see there is no watermark of Flimora. So this is the correct version. It is compatible to your PC. So let's see how to download it, and after download what you have to do. So after download you have to use password, and this is the password guys. You can see subex 0090 is the password. You have to use it. After exporting, it may take few time after exporting. When it's completed, you have to open the folder. After open, go through the first one, exe file. I'm again sharing guys, this version is fully 64-bit version. It's not working on 32-bit version. Okay, here's the file destination. You can see because you have to install the patch crack version. So after putting next, and it might take some time guys. It depends on your PC how it's giving you speed. Okay, how it's giving performance. So it's completed, maybe not completed. After that you need to, yes, you need to open this, launch this, because there is no option present of close. So after opening Flimora you need to close all things. Tutorials, there's a tutorial present, but you need to close it because you need to install the crack patch version. So close the Flimora and go through the crack one folder, open here, copy all the stuffs, and go through your Wondershare Flimora destination where you have installed. So go through the first one and paste here, and first option you have to. So here completed. Now you can open Wondershare Flimora. Now you can export your videos, and you can sorry guys, you have to download effects from. You can easily use this. Now all process complete. So now you can easily export your video layers and anything. Now you can download. So guys, this version is well working on my PC, so you can try it. A link is in the description below. You can go through it. Thank you for watching this video. Put a like, share your comments. So thank you.